Stop. Is your PayPal first payment on hold? Don't panic. This is a common hurdle for new sellers. We are diving into why this happens and giving you 5 essential tricks to get your money fast. The main reason your PayPal first payment on hold status is triggered is simple. You're a new seller or a new account. PayPal places a security check to ensure buyer satisfaction and prevent fraud. High-value transactions or unusual sales activity also flags an automatic payment review. This money is not gone, it's just temporarily secured. Here are 5 key tricks to resolve your held payment quickly. Trick 1. Confirm shipment. Update the tracking number immediately after shipping. For services or digital goods, mark the order as processed or fulfilled. This is the single fastest way to speed up the release. Trick 2. Verify everything. Make sure your account is fully verified. Link a bank account, confirm your email, and complete any identity verification steps PayPal has requested. Unverified status often leads to the automatic 21-day hold. Trick 3. Get feedback. Positive buyer feedback. Confirming successful delivery helps immensely. Encourage your buyer to leave good comments. Trick 4. Build history. The more successful transactions you complete without issue, the quicker you move out of the new seller phase. Consistency is key to avoid future payment holds. Trick 5. Direct communication. If all else fails, or the delivery is confirmed but funds are still held, contact PayPal support. Sometimes a simple chat can release funds faster than the automated system. Remember, the standard hold is up to 21 days, but with these tricks you can often release funds in just a few days. Follow these steps to unlock your funds. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more finance tips.